Oh, here my friends, I'm Alex. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to review this counterfeit Rode wireless microphone, as its overall semblance look like Rode, but it is a huge difference when you look nearly to it. Wait a moment, as I want to make sure the hacker, the fucker and the dumber don't comment my video and like my video if you don't even interest in my video, and please leave my channel as soon as possible. How am I going to purchase this wireless microphone? Recently, I just bought it from a China online applications called TaoBao. In addition, this video would be separate into 4 parts. Number 1 would be the unboxing. Number 2 would be the user experience, which is my own personal experience. And number 3 is this microphone, what is the advantage and disadvantage. And last is a small close up for my channel, since this would be my last video in the year of 2023. Without further ado, please hit the subscribe button and like this video, comment down below to give me have an idea what I need to improve gradually in order to alluring your eyeball. This is the second part of my personal user experience. Based on the instruction, it said the receiver and the transmitter can maximum distance almost like 60 meters. So today I need to validate whether it's real or fake. I think this is a 5 meter. I will testing. Right? Can you hear my voice? If can hear, then press 1. I will continue to go. This I think is 15 meter. I will continue to move forward until the sound become unclear, and this is 15 meter. Let's move backward a bit. This is a 20 meter. Can you hear my voice? Alright, this is the wireless microphone. I will continue to test it. This approximately like 25 meter. Move a bit back. This is roughly 30 meter. Can you still hear my voice? If yes, that means this wireless microphone is quite best quality. I don't know whether it's true or false, but I just need to know whether the seller got fake me or not. So this is the, I think, 40. Can you still hear my voice? If yes, that is quite good. Let's move forward. Still can hear my voice? I hopefully you all can hear it. No problem, right? Continue to move it. Quite far distance from the transmitter and the receiver, but I still trust this China product, as the China's product never make me disappointed as I continue to move forward. Still can hear my voice? I think probably can. Oh, this is exceeding the upper limit, which is 60 meter. And I move to the end of this big field playground is almost like 70 meter. Now I come back. Let's pointing out some of the advantage and disadvantage of this wireless microphone. First and foremost, I would say it would be totally cheaper than other expensive microphone. Because why? When I brought it from the TaoBao, it cost me totally like $173 yuan, you can foresee to when I convert to my country currency, it would be low 100 bucks. That would be very affordable. Also have a multi-purpose. That would be a first choice of you. And the advantage of number 2 is the overall performance that will be totally open your horizon. Why I say like that? It consists of the long-lasting usage whenever you are going to record your live stream, your YouTube video, and you want to do your travel vlog, whatever thing, it can going to sustain. Don't worry, you're going to drainage his battery. It's 18 hours it can sustain for your video, and overall for that it will be a great choice for you. Why not just 100 bucks and you also have a multi-purpose wireless microphone, and apart from that it would be a small and portable. And you can see this, just the scoop of the wireless microphone, and it's come with feather to reduce your noise. It possesses of bi-speaker, which means that when you're going to talk, the speaker would be harmonic your surrounding environment, make your sound more thrifty and smooth compared to the old school of the wireless microphone, one direction of the speaker, which make your sound not even smoother. Let's install back the feather and come to a small chunky disadvantage. Small disappointed for you guys. Why? When you talk too loud, it will suffer the cracking sound or the pop sound, something like. I make a difference is I talk slowly like, hi, I'm Alex. Hi, who I am, what I'm going to do about it. Today, what is the content of the video? I change to another voice. You can see what is the difference. Hey, welcome back. It's a rap. Welcome. I'm Alex. Today I'm going to share about it. Let's roll. Don't do that. Yeah, you can see it. I don't even want to edit this part and you harm your eardrum. Please be warning. I will put that warning there. Disadvantage just one section only compared to there will be an immense advantage. Whew. Finally come to my final note of this video. I very appreciate that everyone see till my end of this video. If you have any uncertainty, please leave the comment. I will reply you all as soon as possible. And it's a wrap for this year 2023. I also be very grateful that I have the impulse to upload a long form video, exit from many YouTube shorts. I grow from 0 to until now 167 subscribers. Who going is my great motivation is you guys, my lovely audience. Once again, I need to appreciate you all that being me for a while, will give me a lot of like in YouTube short. I'm much more thanks for you guys. I'm going to achieve my first milestone. Already achieved this is I target is 100 subscribers, but now I'm going to looking for 200 subscribers. If you want to help me or you think I am a helpful YouTuber that help you in any kinds of aspect, please subscribe my channel, leave the comment what I need to improve in 2024, which is a new year of my YouTube journey. I know that from 2023, what I'm going to learn is, I don't think I learned anything. If I learn anything, guarantee my video will be improved like, but I think I get more worse there by there. I don't know you guys how going to judge me, my suck video editing apps, my problem English communication skill. I don't know how to do a dumb research on YouTube. Number 4, take the most no contributions YouTuber advice. Last is making a wrong niche in YouTube channel. If you are interested in my video, just click this area. You will know what is my viral video here. Please, and see you in the next video.